All right, guys, so we are going to continue talking about the constant of proportionality. Remember that is represented by the variable k, and k equals y over x, and that's how you determine the constant of proportionality. So what we're going to do is go over situation A together as part of your notes. Then I'm going to ask you to pause the video and attempt situation B, and then come back to check your answers. Remember, guys, I can't monitor whether or not you are pausing and coming back to check your answers after you've worked them out, or if you're just copying straight your answers down. However, I do want to say that you are not getting the practice that you need if you are just watching the video and looking for answers just to finish. So keep that in mind as we work today. So for situation A, we have a salesperson that purchases inventory at a wholesale price. Then she marks it up by 25% over the wholesale price for each item. Use this information to complete the table. So we have the wholesale price, that's our X, and then we have the retail price, that's our Y. So what we have to do is determine 25% of $5 and then add that on to determine the retail price, okay? So we have $5. A good way to figure out 25% is to remember that it is 1/4, okay? 1/4, 25%. If I divide 5 by 4, I would get a what? Dollar. We can do it over here on the side. $25. Okay, so $1.25. So I'm going to add $1.25 to $5. So my retail price for that would be $6.25. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with 10. 10 divided by 4 would be $2.50. So this would be $12.50. And remember, I am dividing by 4 because we are taking 25% of this number. So 25% of 10 would have been $2.50. 10 plus $2.50 is $12.50. Okay. $15 divided by 4 would be, okay, sorry guys, my phone was ringing. All right, so 25% of $15. 15 divided by 4 would be $3.75. So remember, we're going to do 15 plus $3.75, and that would be $18.75. Okay, 20 divided by 4 is 5, so we're going to add on 5 to that one, so that's going to be $25. Okay, and then for $25 divided by 4, we would have $6.25. So I'm going to add $6.25. So that would give me $31.25. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this side is put my ratio of y over x. So for here, it would be $6.25 divided by 5, $12.50 divided by $10, $18.75 divided by $15, 25 divided by 20, and then $31.25 over $25. Okay, so what we are going to do is to simplify these ratios, okay? So $6.25 divided by 5 is going to be $1.25. $12.50 is going to be $1.25. I wonder if they're all going to be $1.25. $18.75 divided by 15 is going to be $1.25. Okay. 25 divided by 20. We could simplify this, guys. If you can't automatically see that it would be $1.25, we could divide both by 5. So this would be 5 over 4, which would also be 1 1/4, which if we're talking about money is $1.25. And then $31.25 divided by 25 would also be $1.25. So for this one, our K, our constant of proportionality, is going to be $1.25. Okay? What I would like for you to do now is to look at situation B. Situation B has a phone company that charges 9 cents per minute for international phone calls. Use this information to complete the table. So we have the length of the international call, and then we have the cost of the international call, and then we have where we're going to determine the constant of proportionality. So here's our X, here's our Y, here's our K, our constant of proportionality. So what I would like for you to do is to pause the video. I would like for you to determine, go ahead and fill out the Y values, okay? Once you fill out the Y values, you're simply going to put Y over K, because that's how we determine that constant of proportionality. K equals Y over X, so you're going to put Y over X, okay, every single time, and we're going to see if we can determine what the constant of proportionality is. Go ahead and pause the video, come back here to check your answers. All right, guys, so you guys should have a completely filled out chart now. So if we talk on the phone for 10 minutes, that would cost us 90 cents, okay? If we talk on the phone for 15 minutes, that would cost us $1.35. If we talk on the phone for 20 minutes and it's 9 cents a minute, that would cost us $1.80, okay? If we are on the phone for 35 minutes, that would cost us $3.15. And if we were on the phone for 40 minutes, that would cost us $3.60, okay? So we're going to put Y over X, and we're going to see if we can determine our constant of proportionality, our K. So here we go. We have 90 over 10, and that's going to simplify to 9. We have $1.35, or 135 over 15. That's going to simplify to 9. We have $1.80 divided by 20. That's going to simplify to 9. We have 35 divided by $3.15. That would equal 9. And then we have $3.60 divided by 40, and that also equals 9. So our constant of proportionality, and because we're talking about money, it's going to be 9 cents per minute. All right, so what I would like for you to do now is to look at the communicating about mathematics section, okay? What do we notice about the ratio Y over K, okay? So when you answer this question, I want you to write, I notice, and then answer the question. Is what you notice always true? So this is either going to be a yes or a no, and then why, okay? And then you have answered both of these questions in complete sentences. A lot of the time we just skip over this, or we write like 2 words. I'm trying to model how I want you guys to answer these questions, okay? Complete sentences. Make sure that you have answered all of the questions completely. So once you've done that, what I would like for you to do is to take this. You are going to glue it down in your notes. You will update your divider by looking at the board, and then you are going to move on to the second part of this assignment. It's going to be a Think Up page, but I will give you more details about that in Google Classroom.